Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Golden Corral restaurant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Golden Corral app is designed to make dining at America's favorite buffet restaurant even easier and more rewarding. It allows users to browse the menu, find nearby locations, order takeout, and access exclusive offers through its rewards program. The app is available on both iOS and Android, providing a convenient way to enjoy home-style meals with family and friends. The app's main feature is its rewards and ordering system, which lets customers earn points for every purchase that can be redeemed for discounts and free meals. You can also join special promotions, receive birthday rewards, and check store hours or buffet options near you. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy navigation, accurate restaurant locator, and frequent discounts. The reward system adds value for regular visitors, and the ability to order ahead saves time during busy hours. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional login issues, missing points, or app crashes. The online ordering feature may not be available in all locations, and updates sometimes take time to process rewards. In summary, the Golden Corral app may be worth using if you frequently dine at Golden Corral and want to earn rewards, find nearby buffets easily, and access exclusive deals. However, if you visit occasionally or prefer in-person orders, the app might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.